convenient name. Oh, yeah, I'm Bob Scratchit. This is my wife, Martha Scratchit, my daughter, Belinda Scratchit, and my son, Peter Scratchit.
Don't forget me.
And that's Tiny Tim. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Tiny Tim is just the cutest. I want to know why you keep shutting off my Christmas lights.
Well, those lights are too bright.
If only someone had said that 10 minutes ago.
Hard for us to find food or stay safe with all those bright, blinky lights. Who needs to eat? It's Christmas! A time to celebrate, get presents, have fun, and get presents.
We do love celebrating Christmas.
Well then, if you love Christmas, just enjoy the lights. Well, they do look pretty. I guess we could skip the meal and celebrate. That's the Christmas spirit. Here, take a set of lights for yourselves.
Come on, kids. Let's go back to our very bright tree hole and not be able to forage for food so Nature Cat can have